Hey guys, it's Peyton Ritchie hosting SCTV this week. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. I know you guys I hear some people talking, oh, we're probably not gonna have a show this week. Oh, I'm so sad. I really wanted to watch SCTV. It's my favorite show ever in the whole entire world. Well, guess what? We do have a show because we are goated. So we got reporters live on the scene in the snow, risking their lives for your entertainment. You won't believe what happens. Let's get into it.
Good morning, Sussex Central. This is Denise Mata reporting live here from Milford, Delaware, Sussex County. As you can see behind me, there is a whole bunch of leaves, acorns, and branches that have fallen, caused a little bit of damage in the neighbor's yard. And over here to my right, you can see this big old branch that just fell so close to my room, mind you. Excuse me. It was pretty heavy. It was a 3-man job to just move so we could get it out of the neighbor's yard because again it did damage some of their property. But as you can see, the snow is starting to melt a little bit. It's just a little slippery, but maybe I will see you guys tomorrow.
While out plowing Sunday night in Rehoboth Beach, this happened. As you know, thousands of houses went without power, and some still don't have any. Crews still work to restore power.
Hey guys, it's Peyton Ritchie reporting live for SCTV. I'm here in Plantation Lakes in Millsboro, Delaware, and the current situation is cooked. So considering we had 3 snow days, our time has run out and I've got to shovel out my car, so let's go. This is really dangerous, guys. Don't try this at home. I'm a professional. All right, I think we're safe. Back to you.
Hello, I'm Chloe reporting for SCTV. Today we have some cute videos of our dogs playing in the snow. As you can see, not everything was really bad during the storm. Here are my puppies, Milo and Muffy, playing in the snow. They're really small, so it was really cute to see them hop around and roll around in the snow. And here are some videos of our editor's dog playing in the snow. So cute.
Hey guys, it's Peyton Ritchie back at it again, and now that we've shoveled out my car and done all the hard physical labor, now we're gonna have some fun. All right, that's all we got for this week, but tune in next week to see the new segments we've got coming to you.